Hi everyone, Peter is here. Today I'm gonna replace the tube for my faucet. Okay, the tube is leaking on the top. Here look like a quick disconnector. So hopefully it's gonna be simple and easy. Here is the problem. Okay, you see that it's leaking from there. Not from the connection, okay, it's from here. Oops. I need to remove this thing too, so I need a screwdriver. The reason I need to remove it because I have to pull the whole hose out from the top after I remove that. Here that thing looks like a quick disconnector to me. Okay. And of course there can be some water inside the tube even though we already turned off the valve. See, we can just hand tie this one, okay? Yeah, it's easy, just hand tie. And I have okay, because there's gonna be water from the hose. There's no tape. Look like there's no tape required. There's this O-ring inside though, have to be careful, okay? So now I'm gonna remove this one so that I can pull the whole hose through the top. If you don't want to make it apart, just see if it, you can pull this one through, just like that. Okay. Oh, by the way, I want to show you something. I am right, you have to pull from the top. You know why? Because here, you see, here, the tube behind is pretty small. Okay, it's only fit, it's gonna fit this end only. It's not gonna fit the other end. So you have to pull from the top. So here's the old one. I just pull it. Before you feed it through, make sure you put the head. Okay, put here first because you're gonna need the head here. Okay, now feeding it through. Now it's go through now. You see, you have to do it a little bit and now it's through. See, it's here. So you don't need any rope or anything. First of all, pull the rope back. No need anyway. At this time, you may attach the head back. Yep, the old head. The bottom in the back. If you didn't take them apart, then you may want to feed it first. Okay, put it back first. Put it somewhere. And now, connect this one to the quick connector. No need to put any tape, okay, no tape. Just hand tight. Okay, it's hand tight, that's it. Push it down, press it down, push it in and then release it. Press it down, put it in, release it. There you go. Press it down, push it in and release it. Now before we do anything further, we may want to turn it on and make sure that it's not leaking. Make sure that it's not leaking, okay? You don't want any flood damage. It is really costly. Okay. Okay, it's good. It's not leaking. Okay, the last step after we check that it's not leaking, the last step is to tie this one back. Okay, I'm gonna tie it at this level. Know why? So that these two black things will not stuck at each other. If it's too low here, right? Sometimes you pull it, this thing stuck here. It's gonna be a little bit harder for you to pull it up, even though it will go through. But if I make it at this level, you see there is no chance, or there is a less chance that it will stuck at each other. Okay, there you go. Now it's time to test. Okay, pull. Okay, so I move it that way, you see. I move it that way, away from this thing, so that when we pull it, it will not hit the back thing, will not likely to hit this, okay? Okay, so you see it clear now. The black and the brown will not touch each other, but the black may still stuck here, and you can see there's the side that is stuck before. To help it, you can put some like tape, duct tape. You put duct tape here, maybe it make it a little bit smoother, and it won't hit this one too much. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope it is useful. Have a good day, everyone. Please like, please subscribe if you may. Bye. Okay, so you may not need to use the rope, okay, but you may have to try a few times. Just feed it through and like adjust it from here, trying your best a little bit, and that is go through, okay? That is go through, okay? So